welcome to the channel, and today we went to Michael's. You guys can see Michael's, and there's the holiday thing. It says, I found this at Santa's Make Shop, but it's in real Michael's. So today I have some squishies. So I got some squishies from Michael's, and I heard that there was new ones. So yeah, let's get started.
But they weren't.
Well, we're about to get one of the new ones, but I think we got 2 new squishies, and the other ones are already already there. Yeah, I'm so excited. So before I get right into this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and sorry for the noise. I'm outside in a porch, and my sister's right there. We're gonna make butter slime because we have butter magic clay. So
Okay.
and we have paints, more paints. We'll probably do a separate video.
Containers.
And containers. And we have the gallon of blue.
We're almost in it. Ow!
I'm sorry. So yeah, guys, let's get started. So the first one I got was this pink macaroon.
I love that color.
Yeah, and it's so cute, guys.
Have you ever seen me before?
And camera, it actually looks a little bit, without like right now, in real life, it looks a little bit darker. But in camera, it looks really light.
Let me see.
My sister's right there.
Oh, it does.
There's my sister, and we're making sign right here in the porch.
Oh, kind of issue.
So, sorry for the light right there.
It's kind of a good line.
Yeah. So here's the macaroon I got, and all the things I got, not all the things I got cost $1, but yeah.
That costs $1.
Yeah, this is so cute.
Did you like the colors I got?
Yeah. So this is so cute, guys. It's squishy. It's not that surprising, but it's still cute.
Ooh, show them that Did you show them that one?
No, not yet.
Rachel, take it off.
Didn't
This
what?
is 2 ounces, and this is this is. Alright, this is
So
8
really
ounces.
squishy.
This is 8 ounces, and this is 2 ounces. Which is more bigger? This one?
So yeah, guys, this smells so good. All the squishies that they have at that Michael's, they smell so good.
There you go. Let's see.
So yeah, there it is.
I'm kind of obsessed with squishies. Not anymore. No.
You're not even obsessed with squishies. I'm the one who is obsessed with squishies.
Did you show all your squishies?
Yeah, I did a squishy collection. I'll probably do an update squishy collection.
Yes. See more.
So yeah, this is my macaroon squishy. On to the next squishy. So the next squishy, this is a new squishy they have in their at their Smushers. I never seen a squishy ever, and I had to get this because it's so adorable.
No, it's not.
And they have kind of the same one as this one, but this one's minier and it's dipped with. So guys, ready? It's this strawberry dipped in chocolate, and it's so.
I had never seen that in any videos.
Guys, this is amazing, and you have a jumbo strawberry.
Go show that one. Go run inside. Go get it.
No. You guys.
Okay. Have you shown that one?
So, this one? Yeah, no, the other one. So this is so cute, guys. It's a strawberry dipped with chocolate, and guys, this is so rising, so squishy. Ready?
Pick that up.
Do you guys see that? It's not even rising.
I just picked that up.
Wait. That is so rising, guys.
Nice, so like it, guys.
My sister right there, she's annoying all the time.
This guy is going back and forth like his car. What do you want from us?
So yeah,
Is it
guys, this
Gino?
was the story I had. So good. So guys, these are new, and go check
It's not-
out at Michael.
Smells like Chinese food.
I don't know how it smells, but yeah. Next squishy. Oh. Next squishy.
Hi guys.
So guys, next
I'm back.
squishy.
I'm back again, and we're about to make some
Pause it.
slime.
So guys, the next squishy I got was one of the crush ball squishies, and I actually had the baseball one. And last time I wanted the football, but I could get it.
Focus.
So now I got
So
the
it's like a
football
dream,
one.
it's a.
So here they are. There's a soccer ball there, over there, and a basketball one. But I decided to get this one.
Is,
So yeah, guys, they're crush balls,
this one's the same. Let's just go with pink, red.
and this is so
What is it
squishy,
called?
guys.
And containers.
That is so sorry. You
For
guys
99
can't probably
cents?
see it on the camera,
I think
but it's so soft. Now let me try to take it out packaging. Oh, that was easy. It rips really easy, guys.
Really?
Yeah. No. Here
I have
it is,
5
guys.
containers.
It's so soft, kind of crankly.
The other
But,
one's right
yeah.
here.
Here
She's using
it
for
is.
her whole phone.
And my sister's recording right now. Hi. So, guys, this is an amazing squishy, and it's super slow, I think. Much slower, I think, than my baseball
Okay, guys,
one.
I'll see you in the next shot where we're making slime. And my little brother throw me.
So
one of
yeah,
these
guys, this
containers,
is
and it
so
scratched
soft
me.
and so sorry. I recommend getting this,
Right there.
but I recommend getting the really softest one and the really squishy one. So on to my next squishy.
I use.
Okay, guys, so I got
I
5 squishies from Michael's.
This is hot.
So yeah,
This is warm.
this is probably gonna be a long video. Oh, it's warm because you know how I have. Yeah. So the next squishy,
Okay.
I just had to get, and it's
I think
amazing.
it is here.
So my sister is just came, and
Mandy just came home.
these one are the squishy junk foods, and I'm so excited. You
Can I
guys
get
guessed it.
Can I get some?
Wait, so. Oh, no. Ready? This is the pizza I got.
My sister's
It's very
back.
squishy, super cute, and it's adorable.
5, 4, 3. Where'd she go? Bruh.
Just collect them all.
Mandy!
So guys, this is the squishy I got.
She's mad. Mandy!
Okay.
You said shut up to me. Bro! You never said shut up to me. Bro!
Come on, stop. So my sister
You said
is
shut up.
it's very squishy, super cute, and collect them all. I got the pizza one, and it's so adorable.
Can you keep your hurry? Why don't you take it out of the bag?
I will.
I'm about to go to get the floor out.
Bingo. So guys, right now you can't really see, but it's super squishy, so I'm gonna take it out. I wish I had scissors.
Hey, go get it. The floor.
No, Emma.
Come on, just quick.
No.
How much more fish do you have?
One more.
Oh my god.
2 more. Okay. So, I can't open
Okay.
this.
One year since it's squishy.
I'm gonna take this out. Be right back. Okay, guys, so I stop. So I just opened it. Guys, this is amazing. Look at this packaging.
I have a gallon.
Oh my
glue.
god,
Everybody
it's
has a
kind of
gallon
affected
glue,
right
and
there,
it's so
but
warm.
it's still cute.
I have shaving cream.
Really?
Shaving cream.
Oh my
Yeah,
god, that
yeah.
is super slow rising.
I have containers. Yeah. I
No.
have my.
Hey mom, this smells like lemon.
Oh, it does. But it kind of does.
This smells like lemon a little bit. So yeah, squishy. So now I have to make another box of squishies. My other box is full. So guys, that's the pizza squishy. No, it's not squishy.
I know pasta.
See you guys
I'm
next
so not used to it.
So, the last one is so adorable, guys.
So this is. It was.
It's an ice cream.
It's Rachel. But it was so
Yes, Emma.
Stretchy.
Okay. So last one.
It was so
Ready?
stretchy, guys. Oh.
This is so guys, it's this koala and this cup. And I'm definitely gonna take this out of packaging.
It was so
Guys, this is so cute.
I don't know what happened in the world. It was so squishy.
Do you? Oh my god, I'm just taking this out. This is so cute, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't rip it. Emma, these are the rare ones.
Where's it at?
Yes, it says right here. Guys, these ones are the rare ones. It says right there. It says, find the rare cruise libre. Guys, no way, it's a rare one.
It's really rare.
No.
It's very, very such guys. Really.
Guys, this is so. Oh my god. Feel it. Don't just.
Oh.
Guys, this feels so soft. Like,
Oh, feel it or? Oh.
I know. Guys, this is so soft. Oh my god, this is so cute. I never had this.
Yes, you did.
It just smells like chemicals, as always. That's super spicy.
Let me see.
So it's,
Can I show my friends? Oh, gosh. This
so my sister's showing
is squishy.
her channel. Guys, comment down below if you guys ever got a rare one. Oh, it's kind of affected right there. But yeah, let me see it.
Oh, it smells like cannibals.
I know. It smells like chemicals. Guys, this is so cute. Guys, it's squish.
I can't wait to make slime.
Guys, this is
Hey, I can't take this out of it. It's like stuck.
guys.
Basically stuck.
Guys, and it's still rising. Ready? Squish.
2, 3. This is how like hell would be.
Oh no! Must be dreaming. Let me pinch myself. Ow! Okay, I'm not dreaming. Ow! So just pinch me.
No, you pinch yourself, bro.
Guys, this is an amazing squish.
You just go show mommy.
So yeah, guys.
Guys, that cost $13, bro.
Yeah, 13. That's really expensive in Michael's. But
Bro, don't judge me. Bye. My cover.
so yeah, guys, this was all my squishies. These were all my squishies.
I'll stick for a minute.
My strawberry just fell. I'll get it later. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and guys, you definitely have to go get these, guys. These are so cute, and I see you guys on my next vlog. Toodles! Bye!